Welcome to the Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast and fun recipe, I'm going to show you how to make 2-ingredient chocolate fudge. I have 450 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. This is equal to 2.5 cups. And the second ingredient in our recipe today, a 300 milliliter can of sweetened condensed milk. This is equal to 10 ounces. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. For our first step, in a large pot, I have a little bit of hot water. I'm going to place a heat-proof glass bowl on top. I'll get all of my chocolate chips right into the bowl. And then directly on top, all of our sweetened condensed milk. So just use a spatula to get everything out of your little tin. I'm keeping this recipe really simple today. You can also add a little bit of vanilla if you wished, maybe a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, and also walnuts, which go really well in fudge. So at this point, we want the hot water in our pot to start heating the glass bowl, which is going to start melting our chocolate and also the sweetened condensed milk. So just let this go for a good 5 minutes or so. I'll come back and then we're going to give it a little stir. So this is about 5 minutes later, and you can see not everything's totally melted, but some of that chocolate is, so I just want to start getting it all mixed around. This is a really simple recipe because you don't have to be standing over it. You can be doing something else while this is slowly melting down. Oh, that is nice. That's almost ready. I'd say another 5 minutes or so, and we're going to be ready to just pour this right into our pan. So I'm just going to let it go another 5 minutes or so, and then I'll come back. So this is about 5 minutes later, and this is now ready to go into our pan. Look at how nice this looks. Fully melted at this point. You could just get in there with a spoon and start eating this. This is so good. What I'm using today is a 9-inch square baking pan lined with some parchment paper. And we'll just get all of our fudge right in there. You don't want to wait too long because the fudge will start setting up. And then just start getting it into the corners. And that looks perfect. All you have to do now is put this into your fridge for about an hour or two, and that's it. Bring it out, cut it up, and enjoy. I'll pop it into the fridge, and we'll come back a little later on when it's cold. So here we are again. This is 1 hour later, and my fudge has completely firmed up. I checked it around 40 minutes, and it was already solid, so you don't have to wait a full hour before you pull it out of the fridge and cut it up. You can see how nicely that just comes right out like that. Any size, any shape, doesn't matter. They all taste the same. And then just slice it up. Now that I've zoomed in, hopefully you can see this a lot closer up, and I'm just going to take a little slice off of here. Look at that. That just melts in your mouth. So there we have it. A really fast video for today. 2-ingredient fudge. You can't get more simple than this. Like I said, if you want to add anything to this, you could add a little bit of salt on the top before it sets. You can also add walnuts, which is always a great addition to any type of fudge or brownies. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, that's really good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.